Today's video is a review of Alkaline and Mavado's new song Farewell on the DJ Frost produced rhythm. It is a song about saying bye-bye, cutting off bad mind and fake friends. Here's a sample of that song.
Act surprised when me see you think you're dead, yo. And I wonder when me know you're from, me still a meds, yo. Me I know your brother, your mother never next, yo. And me know you wish you did, and me that's why you're vexed, yo. Now follow them up, you catch no felony.
Them suck this sour grape with a nest, them teeth. Now we can't be friends again. Bad gully vendetta set chains again. Them sell out a vendor them. The pussy them want your dead fear things out 100% one tender.
The average person can relate to this song, but most of the people that are making progress in life, and especially to the people that are in the game, music are hustling, making that real money where the concentration of snake niggas is even higher. This is a song about cutting off fake friends, the frenemies, the friends turn enemies, saying bye-bye to their fake friendship. R.I.P. Rest in peace to the friendship. It is dead and laid to rest in the cemetery. Getting it out of your head, out of your memory. It is like you can't even recognize the person that your switching friend had become. It leaves you perplexed and wondering where this new opposite person came from. They acted like you were brothers at first, but in reality there was no relationship, whether by blood or by friendship. You are not on the same page because they were faking it from the start, and that bond was cut automatically by their devious actions. Your friend all of a sudden out of the blue wants to be you, jealous of your achievement, and now wants to live your lifestyle. They don't sing or put in the work to achieve your success, but wants to be you. Bad man is in full effect. Which brings you to the realization that in reality, out of all the people who say they are your friends, at least 90% of them or more are bogus and will sell you out given the time or the opportunity. Fake friends would do just about anything that would qualify them as an enemy. They will drain your energy with their negative vibes. Even when you give them your heart and your everything, they are never satisfied because ultimately what they want is your life and your lifestyle. Even when you and them are coming from far, even though they're always dependent on you, they're always taxing you only to turn around and backstab you. This is the definition of betrayal and where you draw the line. This fake friendship needs to come to an end. It needs to undo, erase, and delete. Fake friendship is hard to handle because it's hard to comprehend that a so-called friend wants to see you dead for your own things. If you was not streetwise and could not defend yourself, you would have been dead time after time. You would have ended up in the morgue with your toes stuck again and again. Now that you've woken up and see the sign, it's time to cut them off. The song is telling you that even the woman that you thought was a prize, a trophy, or a dime piece could turn out to be the worst Jezebel or the wickedest Delilah, or even the words of Alkaline, a Jankro. This is one of the best dancehall combinations I've heard in a long time because it has two of the top 5 dancehall artists in the business in Mavado and Alkaline. The rhythm pattern is top shelf, nice bass, keys, and dancehall drum pattern with a Dr. Dre gangsta hip-hop touch to it. Producer DJ Frost is controversial in some of the things he say, but we must admit he's one of the best producers in dancehall or any genre of music. Alkaline shows the depth of his lyrical ability in this song. He made the topic and delivered it masterfully. He painted a picture like Picasso on a subject that we all can relate to in bad mind and fake friends. Mavado is back in a big way to state his claim as one of the dominant forces in dancehall. While I would say that Alkaline kinda outshined him on this song, his delivery was still very good and A-class. His lyrics were simpler but very effective and on point. Mavado is more like a style sing-jay like Tenasaw, more than a lyricist. He just has that sound that is just straight gangster and fire. The topic of this song is never cliche because bad mind, grudgeful, envy, and fake friends are always active. It is a topic we can all relate to regardless of our social status, race, religion, or profession. We all have experienced it in some way or the other. This song will definitely strengthen the status of both artists Mavado and Alkaline. It will be in heavy rotation on radio stations locally and internationally. This song will be an instant hit and a dancehall anthem. This is a song that deserves a music video, and with the financial status of both artists and DJ Frost, I can guarantee that it is in the pipeline. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.